Hey guys, so I'm back with a bit of progression on my final year project with my self-defense simulation. Um, so far I want to talk about how I've gotten the player character working in Unity. So this is what the video is about. You can see here that I have my model. Let's move this over a bit. So this is the model and this is my scene, obviously. Still it's a bit of building, but this is what I've done so far. So we have the model here and she's sitting on a first person controller. So I needed to get the Oculus Rift working with the camera and how it moved and all the animation. So I'll show you that in a minute and I'll give you a quick demo of what I've done so far. Okay, so we'll play this and I'll stick the Rift on. And put my controller. Check it's on. Why isn't this working? There you go. Just a little bit. Okay. So now as you can see, I need to change this map because we can see 2 mounts. Okay, that's so much change. But you can see here, you can see the model and the animation. So I'll show you how I done the kind of how the animation moves and how it goes from kind of walking to slowing down to being idle and strafing left to right and moving backwards. So you can see here now I have the full range of the Oculus Rift and the camera controls, so I can view all around and I can move. Oh, I need to change the camera settings on this actually, but yeah, you can see here that when I turn and move, the camera moves with me, kind of. So that's what I've done so far, and I'm feeling a bit sick, so I'm going to take the Rift off. Okay, I'll close this. So how I done that was, as I said before, I created a first person controller and I attached the model Mia onto it here, and she has the OVR camera controller, which is one of the Oculus Rift prefabs that has the camera object on it. So it has the, as you can see here, the left and the right eye. So that was just a bit of messing around with trying to get the camera staying on her head, so you can actually position the camera on a part of the model, like here. The animations were a bit tricky. I set up a blend tree, so you can see here. This is it. I'll just stick a different model on it just to make it look a bit nicer. Stick this model. Yeah, so this is how it works. So you just put in the different positions, the XY positions, and the different animations here. So when you move the analog sticks, if you go faster or slower, it'll go into the different animations of walk, walk left, walk right, to idle, to walk backwards. So the faster you move the stick, the faster it'll go into the walk animation or back to idle. So that's how I done the animations. Obviously there's a bit more explanation, but there's a lot of tutorials and stuff online. So I'll just move this over. So you can see if I play this here, just need to keep the Rift straight. There we go. Okay, just turn maximize off and I'll play this again. So yeah, you can move the character and turn with the controller. So I also actually changed the controller so that the right stick moves the camera. And then obviously with the Rift, when you turn the Rift, it changes the camera as well. Tap back straight. So you can see she's walking around. And the camera moves for her eyes on her head. So I have a few fixes there that I realised that I have to do, but that's what I have so far, and hopefully I'll have this built in the next week or so. Just getting all the things glued together. So check out my other videos if you don't know how far I've gotten, and hopefully I'll have a finished product soon. So keep an eye out, and thanks for watching.